Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi masala. First, understand that this dish beautifully blends the fermented tang of Korean kimchi with the aromatic warmth of Indian spices. It's a truly unique culinary experience that offers a delightful balance of flavors. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you can create this incredible fusion dish right in your own kitchen. Get ready to explore new tastes. To begin your kimchi masala journey, you'll need some key ingredients. Start with about 2 pounds of fresh napa cabbage, which forms the heart of your kimchi. For the flavor, ensure you have Korean gochugaru, fresh ginger, and garlic. Then, gather your Indian spices. Turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala are excellent choices to build that rich, aromatic masala profile. The preparation involves a few crucial steps. First, salt your napa cabbage for approximately 2 hours. This helps draw out excess water, ensuring a crisp texture. Next, create your vibrant masala paste by blending the chosen Indian spices with fresh ginger and garlic. Thoroughly combine this aromatic paste with your prepared cabbage. Finally, allow your kimchi masala to ferment at room temperature for 3 to 5 days, developing its signature tangy depth. Once your kimchi masala is perfectly fermented, it's ready to enjoy. This versatile dish can be served as a vibrant side, complementing grilled meats or rice, or even as a flavorful main course on its own. For optimal freshness, store any leftovers in an airtight container in your refrigerator, where it will keep well for up to 3 weeks. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.